Hi everyone and welcome to Studio de Soyb. My name is Lina and in today's video I'm going to be showing how I created the pattern on a polymer clay using alcohol ink. Here's everything I'm going to be using in today's tutorial. And what I'm doing first is, as usual, I'm warming up the clay and flattening it. After that, I'm covering the working surface and applying a little bit of the baby powder on top so the clay won't get stuck. And also I'm going to be using the regular alcohol just to dilute the colored alcohol inks. And then I start applying alcohol inks directly on the surface of the polymer clay. And then using the hair dryer, I'm just trying to spread it and create the pattern. After that, I'm adding a few drops of the regular alcohol. And again, using the hair dryer, just spreading it. And I keep doing the same procedure. I keep adding drop by drop of alcohol ink and then spreading it with the hair dryer. And after that, I'm adding golden alcohol ink and just keep applying, mixing, and spreading it with the hair dryer. And at the end, to make some parts a little bit darker, I'm adding blue alcohol ink and not really trying to spread it. So it creates those beautiful stains of different like saturation. And when I'm happy with my pattern, I'm cutting out the shapes. And here how they look like before baking. And here after baking. After that, I'm sanding and adding some holes. After that, I'm glazing them using the epoxy resin and letting it cure for 24 hours. After the resin is cured, I'm adding on the stud bases, and also I decided to cover the edges of the earrings using the golden marker. And here's my final result. I love to work with alcohol ink. It always gives some very unique and beautiful patterns. Check out some of my short videos. I share some other techniques there. Thank you so much for watching, and we see each other in the next video.